Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman. Now, one of the cool parts of my job is that sometimes a brand will bring us out to their site, let us have a look around and show us their day-to-day, as well as provide us with some information on their innovations and show us some of the tools they're coming out with. That is exactly what's happening today, and you guys get to join in on the fun and have a look around with us. So we're here in Milwaukee Tool's History Hallway. They have a rich history dating back to all the way to 1924. They sped up the assembly lines with their innovations. They helped out the housing booms of the 1950s and 60s with tools like the right angle drill and the Sawzall that can cut a variety of materials. They continue to innovate.
We're covering a lot of ground here today, but one of the biggest launches that we have is around our drilling and driving categories. So we have a whole new line of M12 and M18 drills and hammer drills and impact drivers that we're going to be introducing. Designed for the pro, but I can assure you, if you're a do-it-yourselfer and invest in a Milwaukee, you will not be dissatisfied. It's incredible bulletproof durability that we invest in our products.
So we're at the main event, and right beyond that wall there is where Milwaukee is going to show us all of their new innovations. Let's go check it out. So one thing I'm really excited about is this small M12 detail sander. It's compact and lightweight. It can fit just about anywhere in your tool bags, but it does kind of the lighter duty work that we're all looking for, the details in the corners. It won't rip up material like an orbital sander will. And the cool thing about this is it's an orbital as well, so it really gives a really nice finish. The other thing I'm noticing is that it's got a variable speed. And you can change the speed in four different variations here, from slow to fast. Gives you really great control. The other thing they're coming out with is this nice new mesh sandpaper. It's supposed to be really tough, less prone to breaking and cutting apart when you're working on those detailed areas. Then you can take them out and knock them around a bit, get the dust out, or blow them out with your blower and go back to work. So one of the other tools that Milwaukee's introducing in their M18 lineup is finally the track saw. Some of the accessories that it's going to have is 3 different size tracks, a smaller one, a medium one, and one over 100 inches. All kinds of blades, dust collection bag, and adapters for your extractors. This thing is going to be awesome. And here we have the Wrecker with nitrous carbide. It's a Sawzall blade meant for multi-material cutting, perfect for demolition and remodeling. Now the nitrous tip tooth will last 2 times longer than previous generations, and it's got this really cool hook tooth tip for making plunge cuts in things like roofing. We put it to the test against a leading competitor, and the Wrecker is the clear winner. So here we're looking at the Milwaukee M12 subcompact impact driver. Now it's going to be smaller than the previous generations, but it's going to have a lot more power. So we're going to give it a little test from one of the other competitors in this category. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. And I gave him a little bit of a head start. Along with the subcompact impact driver, we have the subcompact drill. It's also a hammer drill, so that's a really nifty feature there for something this small. It's going to be smaller and, again, much more powerful than the previous generations. Let's try it out with this lumber here. That's pretty fast. Awesome. So this is the M18 hammer drill from Milwaukee. Still, it's small, compact size relative to the others in this space. One really cool feature that it's got is the auto stop. So check this out. So it's going to stop at just the right spot. I mean, a lot of these catches that you can kind of overcome, but it's not going to ever twist your arm right off. So it stops at just the right spot. So let's see how it does with this 2 9/16 bit. That's awesome. So this is the M18 impact driver. Now, one of the really cool things they've done with this is they've changed the way the trigger pulls. What I mean by that is it takes longer to get more RPMs out of the drill. So this comes into play when you're like a DIYer just starting out, just new into the impact driver. But with this, you don't need super dexterity to move the drill at a slower RPM. There's a much longer trigger pull until that really ramps up fast. You get a lot of control out of this. So let me show you how it works, putting this screw into this outlet. you can really see how I can truly control the speed of the drill. So we can't come to a Milwaukee event without seeing some type of battery innovation, and that's what we have here. They are coming out with a high output CP battery, and that's a step up from their larger XC battery from a previous generation, and there's no better test to do that, to show the example here, than a saw race. So can we check that out?
Yeah, let's do it.
So as you can see, the newer battery kept up pretty well with the older XC battery, but it's much more compact. So one last thing I really want to show you guys is that Milwaukee's got these really great stick lights. As you can see, I just grabbed this light off of this charger here. The charger itself is magnetic, and the way it sits on there is also magnetic, so it's always really easy to grab, really utilitarian. Everyone should have one of these or something like it in their workshop or toolbox. If you turn it on, you can see that it's got several different modes: bar light on bottom, bar light on top, both of them on at the same time, and a really cool inspection light. Now this thing articulates back and forth. You can point it in any direction you want, and it's really got this awesome magnet on the bottom. So you can set it down and it'll hold firm in place wherever you'd like it. You can move your lights around, illuminate anything you need to. It also has a really nice hook to hang onto your car hood if you're working on your car. One other thing I want to show you is the USB-C port. So you can use this as to charge your phone or other devices while you're out and about. Really, really great product here by Milwaukee. You can get that in September. That's going to hit the stores in September. You can pre-order it in August. If you get the kit, it's going to be $150. That comes with the charging dock, the light, and a cord, and one battery. Or you can get the stick light with the cord and the battery, and that will be $99. So that wraps up Milwaukee's Pipe Light event of 2022. We saw tools from the carpentry renovation space, drills and driving, batteries, and the automotive and transportation space. Lots of innovations. So for more products and tool reviews, head to familyhandyman.com.